Many families are the heart of Fruit d'Or. These farmers came together to put their goods to market. We started our cranberry farm in 1993, and when we moved to organic farming, we realized that it wasn't as easy as we had thought, and we needed to add some extra value to our berries. And so from there, we created Fruit d'Or.
For many years, Fruit d'Or has invested in research projects whose goals are to show the positive health benefits associated with berries. We know that wild blueberries are very high in polyphenols, and that cranberries have high amounts of polyphenols and proanthocyanidins. We are working on a number of ongoing research projects that should reveal more health benefits associated with our berries.
Organic farming is quite important to us because we want to leave a strong legacy. Our cranberry farm is very precious to us, and we would love to see it grow while respecting the environment. We have always adopted this mindset as our guiding principle. At Fruit d'Or, our future is berries. We work closely with farms to ensure they perform well and produce high-quality fruit. I believe that Fruit d'Or will grow and expand with Quebec berries. We are still looking on growing wild blueberries. There are more and more producers who are trusting Fruit d'Or to bring their products to market, and we will continue to grow.